Okay guys, hello and welcome to the 5th tutorial of the series, and today I want to go over BSP brushes, which is basically making buildings. I made just like a little example for you with the BSP brush earlier, straight after I did the video for geometry, and which basically just made some mountains around the whole zone just so you can't go and fall off, for example, and die. Just help when the noobs out, for example. Yeah. Okay, to start off, I'm just going to show you what I've made. What's like an example of what you can make with the BSP brush. You don't have to just do like houses or anything. It's limitless. If you can design it, you can make it. So yeah, you got an inside, and you can materialize it all, which I'll show you how to do in the next tutorial. Then I'll show you how to add lights in there as well. That's why the top here is all black. And I'll show you that after the next one, which I'll show all different types of lighting effects. So to start off, let's go find our BSP brush and come over here. Let's just see. Okay, one of the first things I wanted to show you is, let's go put this up in the air quickly. Yep, UDK comes with a bunch of presets for the BSP brush. For example, a box, let's just add CSG, a cone. Yeah, there's plenty of different things you can make with it. I mean, it's got a bunch of templates or presets or whatever you want to call it, really. And just click CSG add, and it'll make it. It's that simple. So let's just go down to the ground. You don't need to make those. It's just me showing you what can be done with UDK, how it's done, and yeah. Let's find our BSP brush on each of the different viewports, just so we can align them to the ground. I'm just gonna make it a little bit bigger, so it's easier to see for you. I know it's in 1080p already. Okay, so just align this to the ground. That's good enough. Okay, also you want to change this to something like 2 or 4 or 1, just so it snaps down to the ground. And I'm going to change this back to the block and put it down to the ground again. Make sure you're using the transformation tool. You can use any of the transformation tools for this, really. So first of all, let's make it bigger and wider. A little bit bigger this way too, and move it, and just move it away from anything else because it will overlap. Because you saw the little flashing bits earlier, I'm not sure if you did, you will get something like that when you got stuff overlapping, and it's not going to look too good. You know, if it's into the ground, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so first of all we want to make it hollow, so choose hollow, build, make it wide. I'm just going to make it wider. I forgot that when I clicked on it, the preset will change back this way, and then just click CSG add. I know it's a little bit small for you. Actually, yeah, it should be fine to get into. It should be hollow, so you can just fly inside and you'll be able to move around. Okay, let's just get in. Another advantage to BSP brushes, anything you make with it already have a collision model. So let's just go walk into stuff. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, so you're wondering how are we gonna get in? So let's see. Just make this the shape of a door. Make it smaller as well. Also, I made this mistake many times. Like, you just want to change that and take off hollow, otherwise you can't use CSG subtract. Just kind of a pain in the ass, really. And then find it, whatever viewport you're trying to get it to mix with. So align it there, and CSG subtract. Maybe the walls are thicker than I thought, so just move it a little bit more in. Ideally you just want to make it thick enough to go through the walls. And there we have it. We have a basic house. I will go over adding materials in the next video, and I'll show you lighting after that, so you can make it all nice and good in there. So yeah, have fun, like, comment, subscribe,